Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hit up SpeedTek again. I'm working on my Limitless for race, and I crashed the whole front end. You can see the parts that I've replaced. Broke a A-arm and some other stuff. So I decided to go check out SpeedTek, and I'm going to change the gearing up. I got it geared pretty high, I think like a 42-24, and it's just super fast with a touchy trigger. I'm going to try to slow it down just a little bit. So I got all these different size pinions. I got an 18 tooth, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. They're only about $6 online. My 10% discount code that you guys can use probably brings them down to closer to $5. So they're not too bad, you know. And then I got a new spool too with a heavy duty gear on it. It's a 45 tooth, so we're going to go up to almost stock to I think it's a 46 tooth is stock for the infractions, which was a good speed for me at the time. So I'm going to try to go back to that. I think I'm going to do like a 45, either 18 or 19, and see what that does, and go mess around with it out in the parking lot or something and see what the speed is on that. I'm just trying to slow it down so I don't crash as much and get back into the pattern, you know, rather than trying to hammer around the corners and stuff, because I've been crashing a lot lately, and it's been yeah, we're trying to stop crashing with the race car. So I'm gonna try that, the 45 tooth, take out the 42, go up to a 45, and then and these are like $40, guys. Great deal for these spools with the gear. It's all red Loctited. It's all ready to go. Just drop in and play. Yeah, because they do use red Loctite on it, so you have to heat it up if you want to change the gear on it. Make sure you heat it up before you even try. Take a little torch to it. It's all metal, so you won't damage anything. And yeah, 10% discount on this too. Everything on SpeedTek, 10%. Use Kurtz RCs. I'll leave a link down below. I'll maybe write something in here. But there'll be a link down below for the speedtekrc.com. And then when you check out, use Kurtz RCs, all one word. And it'll give you 10% off. But I got that, and I couldn't pass up these. $10 for the drivers. I have bought a set of these before. Actually, I have one right here. I've been using them. They work great. It doesn't look like there's any wear on the edge. It all still looks perfectly good. I haven't stripped any screws out with them yet or not, so I decided to pick up another set. I think these online are about $25 or something like that. I think it's what they are online. I can't remember. And then these are $10, so online, and my 10% off. So I bought 2 of them so I could have one on the 2.0, because I still use MIP, which are awesome. But when I'm out on the track, I have these out there, and then it sucks when you only have one, because sometimes you got to use 2, you know, because you use the 2.0 and the 2.5 on the same time with these. There's a 2.0 on the bottom, and this is a 2.5, so you got to use 2. So I figured, why not get, you know, 2 of these? So, right? Does that make sense? So I picked those up, right? Like I said, all this 10% off, guys, on all this stuff. So there you go. Can't beat it, guys. These are awesome gears. I've never had any issues. You know, I know every once in a while somebody gets something that's not to their standards, but like I said, I've never had issues with these gears. So this is a pretty beefy gear, so 8mm. And I've been running these gears in here for a while now. So, and this is off and on, off and on, off and on, you know, hard racing. So, and I also did pick up, and then I went to rchopups, and I picked up a set of the motor. I don't know what they're called, but when you get the stock ones on all the 6S lineups on Arrma, they're all plastic. So I got these for my kraton. I'm gonna put these on my kraton since I already have a set of this on my Limitless. These are from rchopups. This is 20 bucks and this is like 10 bucks online. So for 30 bucks is way worth it, because if you don't put your center spool, I've seen guys burn those things up and melt them. So, and this will help disperse the heat from that center spool, right? So this is almost a must when you get a 6S to put those in there. So we're gonna put those on our kraton. So we got a couple things. Yeah, I went a little crazy with the gears, but you know, you put one in a car and then you forget what you have, or if you had that one or before, so it kind of sucks, you know, then. But now I got plenty to pick and choose from. That's why I got extras. And if I don't like this 18 or 19, then I got a 20. So we'll go from there. But I'm thinking the 18 or 19 will be good, because this is a, what I say, 45, and I think stock was 46. So if I went down one and I went up one, so maybe the 19 in that. We can try that first and see how good that is. And I know I'll lose my top end speed, but that's what I'm looking for, my top end speed on the straightaway. I was doing good before I put this set in. I put this in, it's so fast, I'm not having enough time to brake at the end now, is what my issue's been lately. So, but there you go, guys. I'm just been rambling on about it. SpeedTek RC, rchopups, two great companies, especially for all the gears. Spools, they got spools for Arrma, Team Ralley, HIP, my Maverick. I have one in there. I was doing speed runs, got up to 98 miles an hour in that truck before it started flying. And I think there's another one too. I think Hobao, I think he's got speed spools for those too. So, and if you have any suggestions on the comments down below on the emails or the websites, he takes comments and all that stuff. So, but yeah, also free shipping. Whew. Free shipping in the United States, lower 48. And it's a one package deal for, he does ship out of the country. So I think it's like, I don't know what, it's been a little while, but I think it was around 26 bucks last time. So whatever, as much as you order, he'll stuff in a box and ship it to you for 26 bucks from SpeedTek or rchopups. So, so there you go, guys. Go check them out. Go buy a gear or something. Great gears. They have all different sizes from 5mm to, what is it, 3.175 or whatever that is. Just all sorts of different gears, and all the way up to 1.5 mod. So 48 pitch, 32 pitch, 1 mod 1, and then mod 1.5, 8mm to 5mm to, you know, he's got it all there. So, and I thought I'd try these out. Let's pop one of these open real quick. Yeah, these are actually nice. Yeah. I like it. It feels good in the hand. Feels good in the hand. And you can even hold this and spin it, you know, if you need to. The easy ones. So there you go, guys. Please like, subscribe, and go check out SpeedTek RC and rchopups. I'll leave links down below. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and you all have a great day.